how to add already installed game into Steam. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here to add a game is to just actually go here on the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you will see this add a game. After that, I just click add a game right there, and then click add a non-Steam game. And then you will see a bunch of programs that you can add right here. So let's say for example that we want to add Roblox Studio right here. So just click that and then click add selected programs. However, if you don't see your game right here, then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the browse section and then just look for the exe file of your installed game. And then let's say for example you already find it, just click open and then it should now be added right here. So after that, just click add select programs again, and then it should now be added into your Steam. So if we go here on the library, it should be right here. Then there's another way to add a game. So all you have to do is to just go here on the upper left corner of the screen once again, and then click the settings. After that, I just go here on the storage. So you will see your drives right here. So if you're using another drive, you can use that. So let's say for example that your game is located on another drive. So just click that drive right there. And then once you click that drive right there, you just have to reset your Steam. And then once you open it once again, that should now be automatically added into your library. And then the last one that we can do is to go here on the downloads. And then on this part, I just scroll down until you see this clear download cache. And then click clear cache right here. And then click confirm. After that, the Steam will reopen itself. And then once you do that, your games should now be right here. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to add already installed games to Steam.